Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Make the crust first so it chills while you prepare filling. Combine 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar in a large bowl. Whisk briefly. Cut 1 cup cold unsalted vegan butter into 1-inch cubes and work it into the flour until the largest pieces are pea-sized using a pastry cutter or 2 knives. Sprinkle 4 to 6 tablespoons ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, and fold until dough just holds together. Divide, flatten into 2 discs, wrap, and chill 30 to 60 minutes. Prepare the filling while dough chills by choosing 6 to 7 medium apples, peeled, cored, and sliced about 1/4 inch thick. Use a mix of tart and sweet apples. In a large saucepan, toss apples with 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoons salt. Cook over medium heat until juices release, about 6 minutes. Then stir in 2 tablespoons cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons cold water to thicken. Simmer 1 to 2 minutes and cool slightly. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and roll 1 chilled dough disc to about 1/8 inch thickness. Line a 9-inch pie dish leaving a 1/2 inch overhang and chill 10 minutes to prevent shrinking. Fill with cooled apple filling, arrange evenly, and dot with 1 tablespoon vegan butter if desired. Roll top crust or lattice, trim leaving 1/2 inch overhang, crimp edges, and seal. For egg-free glazing, brush with plant-based milk and sprinkle 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. Bake 45 to 55 minutes until filling bubbles and crust.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.